In today's video, how to scale groups in Figma. Start by selecting group of element that you want to scale. This could be a combination of shapes, text, or other objects. You will notice that when you click the group, it shows up in the layers panel as single group with element listed. If you try to scale group by dragging its corners normally, without using proper tool, you will notice issue like text doesn't resize, it just stays centered. Shapes may skew. To properly scale entire group, including text and shapes, you need to use Figma Scale Tool. Press key on your keyboard to switch to Scale Tool. You can select Scale Tool from the toolbar, which is located under Remove Tool. Once Scale Tool is activated, click and drag any corner of group to scale it up or down. With this tool, both text and shapes will scale proportionally, and nothing will become distorted. If you want to ensure that group scales proportionally without skewing, hold Shift by skewing while scaling. This maintains aspect ratio of elements inside group.